Price from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space. I love petunias because they spread and they've got really beautiful color. Everything from this absolute beautiful shocking pink to the purple tinged with white, and then these deep dark velvety purple ones. Plus they come in white, they come in red and white stripes, and I've even seen them in yellow as well. You have a lot of great options when you are landscaping with petunias. And some of the best ways to landscape with petunias is by using them in containers, because they will tend to either wave like this wave petunia or to spread out in a slightly vining form, as well as make really nice mounds. They work really great in containers. I've got a container here. We've got a hanging basket of petunias here. And then the other option is to put them either in a window box or a box container and mix them with other flowering plants. I've chosen yellow to go with the purple here because I really like that color combination. Petunias are also good in in-ground flower beds. They do mound out and spread nicely like impatiens do. They do need regular water and rich fertilized soil as well to grow successfully, as well as full to part full sun. So you don't need to have them in full sun for 8 hours a day, but at least 4 to 6 with filtered sunlight after that. If you have any other questions about how to landscape with petunias, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com.